Hello. In this training video, we're going to see how to copy one style sheet out of a certain page and copy it to another. In this case, you'll notice that the research block over here has certain styling to decrease the size of the font and resize the image. Now, when we edit the post, we'll find specific style sheet that specifies that. A bit of background on style sheets is that the style sheets are usually defined by the theme. So when you customize the theme, it sets the style sheets in the background. If anything needs to be overridden, then it can be applied to a specific page. That way, these changes won't affect the entire site, only this specific page. So at the moment, you'll see that we're decreasing the font and the line height, and also setting the width of the image. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this CSS. It's in one of the blocks on your post. So this is a component which has been installed that allows specific posts and pages to have their own CSS. As mentioned before, usually CSS is universal or global to the entire site. So I'm going to copy the CSS. I don't actually need this page anymore, so I'm just going to go back to the site. And I'm going to open our members page because that's the pages we need to change. And in this case, I'm going to edit Lebokeng's page. Or let's actually have a look at it first before we edit it. And we'll notice the old style sheet applied, and you'll see the image is too big and the text is too big. So and the reason we don't want to set a global style sheet for this is because when we're using the same widget on the home page, so that's the same widget applied on the home page, which works fine, but when we put it into a narrow area, the text is too large. So if we decrease the text universally, it will decrease it here, and then it will be too small for the front page. So that's why we're applying it to locally to the page and not globally to the entire site. So here we're editing Lebokeng's post, and we scroll down until we find the simple CSS block, and you'll see it's empty. I'm going to paste the style sheet that I had in my previous post. I then scroll back up to the top and I save the post by updating it. I wait until it's completed its update, and once it has, when we refresh Lebokeng's single page, we should see that the change has taken effect. There we go. So the text has resized and the image has been resized too. So I hope this helps. This is a simple introduction into copying style sheets and applying them to multiple pages. Thank you.